Sunflower na tumatagal mula 3 hanggang 5 taon? Hello, Hidden Clues! Marami ang nagre-request sa atin na gumawa ng flower dome na preserved at hindi artificial. So tara, samahan niyo akong gumawa ng preserved sunflower. Ito nga pala yung nabili ko. Halos kasing laki siya ng mukha ko at double layer na yung petals kaya mas malago compared to other single layered petals. For our preparation, kakailanganin natin ng silica sand. Any brand will do but I trust Truman Desiccant. Mag-a-add lang ako ng thin layer as base, face down yung sunflower natin para hindi masira yung petals kapag may sand na. We'll leave this for around 3 to 7 days. It's normal na mag-turn ng green yung sand pag orange ang ginamit. Indication nito na need na i-reheat dahil inabsorb na ng sand ang moisture ng flower. After a couple of days, inassemble ko na sa dome with fairy lights and preserved moss grass. Here's our final design of our preserved sunflower, available at Clues and Prints.